While using the computer, it's sometimes hard to keep track of time. You wanted to concentrate on the task at hand. However, once opening a tab to check on your friend's post or to watch a video of cats nodding to music, before you realized it's already an hour later. When it comes to regretting wasting a lot of time on unimportant things and trying to find a way to see how you usually spend time on the computer, seldom do we have the proper tools for us to do so. Hence, we try to build a system to not only log the user's computer usage, but also showing and categorizing them for the users to evaluate themselves. First, we build a logger to generate usage reports every 5 minutes. In the log, it includes the application names that the user is using, the window names of the applications, and the time duration the user uses the applications. With the logs, the report of the usage of the computer can be generated. The main page looks like this. Here, it shows two charts for the users, a pie chart and a timeline chart. The pie chart contains the percentage of the user spent on each categories. Includes work, learning, entertainment, social network, purchase, finance, and others. According to the user-defined rules, when a user clicked on the category on the pie chart, a more detailed pie chart will be shown. For example, if the user click on social network, a new pie chart will look like this. A timeline will be shown under the pie chart to tell the user how their time were distributed on each category. The user can use the color to distinguish them. Using the Time Selection tab, the user can choose from 30 minutes to up to 24 hours depending on their preferences. The pie chart and the timeline's time period will be adjusted accordingly. The default time period is being set to 6 hours. Switching to the Daily Report page, there will be two more tabs for the users to choose from, including Time Distribution and Productivity Curve. The users can use the calendar to navigate between dates. After selecting the desired date, the page will be reloaded automatically. While selecting on the Time Distribution tab, the pie chart will show how the user spent their time on the computer that day. It's quite similar to the main page. While selecting on the Productivity Curve tab, a time series chart will be displayed. It shows how the user spent their time on each task in different time periods. When you navigate your cursor over a point on the chart, it will display the time selected and how the user spent on each category in a 5 minutes time range. When you click on the legend item, the curves of the category other than what you picked will be removed. Navigate to the Edit Rules page here. The application has a set of default rules, but the users can define their own ones. The users can edit, delete, or add rules, and save them for the future. If they regret to make the change, they can click on the default button to revert all the changes they have made. The application may parse all the logs and see if they contain the word in the include column and do not contain the ones in the exclude column. The report will put the logs that fit the criteria into the corresponding category with the designated tag name. We asked 4 participants to test our system and hear some of their opinions on the interface. Overall, they think that the report can help them see more clearly on how they spend their time on the computers. Here we'll focus more on the things that they wish to change. First is that other than the daily report, they want to be able to customize their own period of time, such as a week to build a weekly report. Another thing is that the color scheme should be more distinguishable or let users customize it themselves. For future work, a mobile app can be built where the data can be synchronized and the users can access their report on their cell phones.